What do you got there? Oh.
That's awesome.
Oh.
That's really cool, Thomas.
Wow.
That's cool.
I don't know. Fire that thing up.
You should help her, Dad, if you can't get it.
Oh, look at this, huh?
That's really cool.
Oh.
You better keep your eye on that.
Oh my God!
All right, Thomas.
Hi, let's see.
Again.
Oh
me.
my God.
I don't know.
Oh, better open it up to find out.
All right.
Her hands and her teeth.
You all right?
Look at that.
You can stick her to the refrigerator.
Animal
Oh my
dummy.
God.
Look at all these parts.
Those are all for
I don't know.
Yep.
But I don't know.
Well, no, some of those are for Audrey and Elizabeth.
Audrey, E.
Yeah.
Hey, it's for Audrey. T for Thomas.
Yeah.
This is great. Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Gosh.
It's a
Let's go fish.
Hey, what size that present?
I don't know.
Okay, next. Are you ready for another present? This is from Travis.
Cute, huh?
Look at that.
Yeah,
These are
thank you.
magnets for the refrigerator.
Oh, I didn't see
Look at all that. The words. Look at it. You could read all the words. What does that say?
I never did a very good job getting the
What?
What do they say? Can you read it?
Apple and a
That's all right.
That's so cool.
What size that present?
I don't know. You gotta open it to find out.
This is the shot right here. Yeah, you can get them both open.
There you go.
Let's see.
Play-Doh.
Oh.
Oh, you and Audrey are gonna have to play this.
What size that present?
I don't know.
He's
Thomas
mowing
is
through
knocking
some,
them back.
yeah.
Holy God.
He's mowing through some presents.
There's no.
Yeah, she's a professional.
He is a pro.
Oh.
Oh,
I see one more present, but
you
what's
see
the
one more?
size?
But which one?
One more from Nunu. That one's from Auntie.
It's a pull toy. A little porcupine.
That is so cute. I mean, I'm like, how do I get this card?
Okay.
I think she'll love it.
Oh, it's a book.
Oh, Monster Pops. Those were some of Dad's favorite books.
Look at Thomas. Look at these.
Yeah.
Here, sit down.
Look, books. Dinner time.
Look at now. Watch.
Oh,
She's still halfway through Nunu's bag.
Vulture.
Wow.
I remember, that's a good book.
Gorilla.
I love those books.
That was one of my
Tiger.
favorites, except somebody had already ripped half of the stuff out by the time I got home.
I don't know who that could have been. That's it. That's it. That's the last page. Shark. But there's 3 of them.
Here's another one.
Oh. Wow.
Look at that cute. It's so cute. That's little
So
pajamas for her.
Too loud.
Do you want to open your sister's
Okay.
present?